the dimensions of Planck's constant. So this is the question. We got an option of 4 things. These are the 4 options available. If we talk about Planck's constant, the energy emitted via or as a packets, light packets, they termed as a Planck's equation, and this is generated with the formula energy divided by frequency. The energy of an object divided by the frequency of an object will give the Planck's constant. If we talk about the energy, the dimension of energy is m L square t power minus 2. Over here, the dimensional formula for frequency is per time. So m power 0, L0 and t power minus 1. So dividing this one divided by 2, you got m here. L square divided by L0 is L square. T power minus 2 divided by t power minus 1 is t power minus 1. So obviously the option is m L square t power minus 1. Maybe they may ask a different question like what is the SI unit? In that case, the SI unit of Planck's constant is joule seconds. So let's talk about chronometer. So I'll do some exercise. In running and all, you're able to see they'll have a device for stopping to calculate the speed of a runner. That's called chronometer. So chronometer is used for what? So area, time, length and temperature. Obviously to calculate the time. So the answer is option B. If we talk about which is not a unit of time. So 4 options provided: leap year, second and light year. So 4 options is given. So time is calculated via day, month, year. So obviously second it's a time, year it's a time, and leap year it's also calculated in time. So leap year is calculated is number of months and number of days, number of hours, number of minutes, number of seconds. Obviously light year is one option which is different because it's a kind of a calculation for distance. How much fast my light is navigating so that I can calculate the distance of an object. So the option is D. Maybe they may ask this kind of question, what is the value of 1 light year? So 1 light second is almost 186,000 miles. Now this is a question, which one is a vector quantity? So obviously I need to identify the rest is scalar and one is vector. Which one is? If we talk about time, it doesn't have any direction. So obviously time is not an option. Temperature. So obviously temperature doesn't have any direction. And if you talk about flux, it's a magnetic property and doesn't have any direction. A magnetic property that it will attract and repel. So flux it can't be. Obviously the answer is D. So magnetic field intensity, it's nothing but how much I got an attraction or how much the intensity of a magnetic effect it's happening. So the option is D. This is an option. Let's talk about errors issue. If error in measurement of radius of sphere is 1%, so I got my radius, there is an error of 1%. What will be the error on the measurement of volume? So volume V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube because it's a sphere. So volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. And if the error R is 1%, if there is a 1% error, we got a 3R here, R into R into R. Obviously 3 into 1 is 3% of error will be happening in the volume.